Hello everyone, Lepczynski here. Today I want to share some valuable interview tips for a DevOps position. As a technical recruiter, I've seen many candidates go through the process and I'm here to help you stand out from the crowd. So let's get started. Tip 1. Research the company. Before the interview, take time to truly research the company you are applying to. Understand their business model, DevOps practices, and any recent project they've worked on. This knowledge will impress the interviewer and show your genuine interest in the position. Tip 2. Highlight your technical skill. DevOps is a highly technical role, so be prepared to showcase your technical skill. Talk about your experience with version control system, for example Git, continuous integrations tool, such as GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, and so on and so on. Containerization technologies like Docker, and the most important for me, cloud. AWS, Azure, GCP, whatever you want. And of course, remember about infrastructure as a code, for example, Terraform. Yeah, from my point of view, DevOps needs cloud skills. Highlighting your hands-on experience will make a strong impression. Tip 3. Emphasize collaboration and communication. DevOps is not just about technical expertise, it also requires strong collaboration and communication skill. Share examples of how you've effectively worked with cross-functional teams, developers and operation professionals to streamline the process and achieve the common goals. Tip 4. Show your problem-solving abilities. In a DevOps role, problem-solving is crucial, so be prepared to discuss how you handle challenging situations in the past, whether it's resolving complex technical issue or improving deployment's workflow. Demonstrating your problem-solving abilities will demonstrate your value to the team. Tip 5. Be curious and willing to learn. You need to know that DevOps is a rapidly evolving field, and employers seek candidates who are eager to learn and adapt. So express your curiosity about new technologies and trends in the DevOps space. Mention about any certification you pursued or any personal project you undertaken to enhance your skills. Tip 6. Ask questions. At the end of the interview, when interviewer asks if you have any questions, seize the opportunity. Ask thoughtful questions about the company's DevOps culture, the team dynamics, or how they handle the on-call responsibilities. It shows your interest in the company beyond the role itself. Maybe last one thing. Before the job interview, ask some DevOps to do a trial interview with you. Dry run will help you to go more relaxed through the whole process. And you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be well prepared for your DevOps job interview. Remember, it's not just about showcasing your technical powers, but also demonstrating your ability to collaborate, solve problems, and adapt to new challenges. Good luck, and I hope to see you thrive in your DevOps career.